Happening now at the state capitol, the governor is trying to rush through a tax overhaul plan that benefits out-of-state corporations, special interests, and the wealthy. And it's at the expense of middle and working class families. His plan adds state sales tax to services and products we use every day, including diapers, garbage collection, and home repairs. Louisiana's broken tax system needs to be fixed, but this is the wrong way to do it. Learn more at investlouisiana.org. Paid for by Invest in Louisiana.